Okay, hello folks. Okay, what we got coming up here next is a nylon guitar strap. You can use this for either acoustic or electric guitars. I'm an electric guitar player and I'm going to show you how it works on electric guitars. So this is a pretty generic strap here. It doesn't have a brand name, as you can see, but lots of people make a strap in this style, and it's made out of nylon black material. So it's a woven, and so it's kind of like a flexible woven nylon type material. This particular one, about 2 inches wide, and it stretches out to 45 inches. You have an adjustable thing right here to where you can adjust the length of it, making it smaller or larger. You can see the sizes change here. You can make it longer, really long. You can shorten it up and make it shorter. So however you want to do it. This stuff works whatever size you want. That's this nylon strap here. So anyway, like I said, it goes to a total length of about 45 inches. That's the top of it, or the front of it. This is the back of it, and it's got some like leather ends up on here, where you can put this on a strap, on the locks, on the little strap holders on your electric guitar or acoustic guitar. Right now I'm going to show you an electric guitar, so that's why I'm going to show you how that works on there. So these goes against the straps, against those little strap buttons that are on your guitar, and usually they have two, one for the top and one for the back of the guitar. Like I said, this is a generic one. The companies make them like this. I think Ernie Ball makes them, Guitar Center makes them for their own brand. So this happens to be a no-name brand, so it's a lot more affordable. You can find these online or any or any guitar store. They're pretty popular. I mean, like I said, it's pretty generic. It's a no-frill guitar strap. Pretty basic, and I like it because it's light. It's easy to fold. You can fold it and put it away in your guitar case, or your guitar bag, or God, it's even small enough to where you can fold it and you can just put it in your pocket, So it works really well in that sense. And I like to keep it simple, so that's why I got this. Obviously you can get more expensive ones that are wider and thicker and stuff. So this is okay. It's pretty comfortable. I mean, it's not real comfortable, but for the price and for its general function, it works fine. If you're going to play night after night, if you're going to hang a heavy guitar, especially with this strap, night after night, playing it all the time, I would suggest to go with a thicker strap. But this one for your everyday use, and just playing a guitar here and there, and not 7 nights a week type of thing, you're going to be fine with it. So that's what this is. I mean, it's pretty. Like I said, this doesn't have a brand name. It's generic, and you can find it online just about anywhere. Let me show you real quick how you attach this. I mean, it's probably pretty obvious to you guys how you do it, but I'm going to show you how it goes on anyway. Like I said, the ends have these like leathery type pads on them on both ends, and they have a little notch in there where you can put it through the strap buttons on your guitar. There's one button, and that's for the other button. So let's bring a guitar into the picture here and see how this goes. Now here we have an electric guitar. I'm going to show you how this works. So you could put either end on this way. You could put this end, or you could put this end. I like to put this end in the front, so when you hang on the guitar, this little adjustable thing isn't bothering you around your shoulder. So that's the only reason I like doing it that way. But there's no right or wrong way of doing it. This is just whatever's most comfortable for you. So the way you do this is you get this. Here's the strap lock right here. Here's the little strap button right here. So what you do is you just put this around the strap button like that. So it goes pretty easy. It's pretty easy the way the thing goes on there. It just straps right in there. And you know, the guitar hangs from you like this. You know, hangs on your shoulder, and then you put the bottom one. So let's put the bottom one on like this. And there's the thing. There's the little opening for it. And there's your button, your strap button on the end here. So you just kind of slip it over it like that. And it's in there. And it hangs like that. So it's pretty, you know, it's pretty easy the way it hangs. See, so you got your front button right here and your back button right here. Your back and your front. And basically you put it on your body and it hangs like that. Just hangs over your body like that. Just kind of hang it there. So it's a pretty simple, simple way of doing it. And that's why I like these straps, because they're simple. They're no frills. They're kind of, you know, not very fancy, but they do the job. That's what I really like about this. It's functional. It does the job. You're good to go. So, and it fits on almost any guitar because of the fact that it is adjustable with this strap right here. You can adjust it, the length right here. So anyway, that's the nylon, a black nylon guitar strap. And you can get it pretty much anywhere, any music store or online anywhere. Thank you very much.